What's going on, everybody? Skunk72 out here rolling Southern California. It's a little bit California cold lately. For us, California cold, that means 50s and 60s during the day, but it's been below freezing at night. So right now, just doing a quick little short update. This isn't going to be a very long video for this time. Just heading across town to pick up something for the old lady, and then I gotta go run to Best Buy. I'm gonna pick up the Vegas video editing software so I can do a little bit more. I've kind of outgrown Windows Movie Maker and its limitations. So basically what I'm filming right now is kind of just to mess around with the new editing software while I watch a YouTube video that's gonna help me out with it. So what I will have now, I'm capable of shooting with two different cameras, which it'll still be a little while before I do that. So what I was considering was maybe putting my audio pack on my GoPro 3, mounting that to my handlebars, and then using the audio from that, which will also be a second view for a few little clips that I can edit in. And then with my Hero 4 on my helmet, but without the audio pack, so it could be a little bit more slim and fit on the helmet a little better. So I'm sure there's going to be a little bit of a learning curve with the new software. It's probably going to take me a while to learn how to do all the cool stuff, but with my good old friend YouTube, I will be able to figure out how to do a lot of things. So the Vegas software is on sale at Best Buy right now for 50 bucks. It's usually 70. And the only reason I'm able to do it is because last week my son, he's pretty hard on his phone. He had one of the old iPhone SE. Well, it finally broke to the point where it wasn't usable anymore. So I was looking at Best Buy, and I know this sounds horrible, but I decided I'll just give me a new phone and give him my old one. And the reason for that is just because he's so tough on him. I don't want to give him a brand new expensive phone and have it broken in a week. So I started looking, and with the special deals that they had, even though I can't afford shit, all the special deals and the incentives they had, I was able to get an iPhone X or iPhone 10, whichever way you want to say it, for cheaper than anything else. I had a longtime customer incentive for the cheaper payments with that phone because I'm on Sprint. And then Best Buy also kicked down a $250 gift card for buying the phone there. So the only reason I'm going to get this Vegas video software is because I have that gift card. So I'm going to be picking up that, and then like a new ice maker or filter for my refrigerator, but you know, nobody gives a crap about that. So for tomorrow, I will be heading from my area in Santa Clarita out to Ventura. Actually, Ventura County. I'm going to the city of Oxnard because I have to do my recertification for the state. I've talked about that before, the testing that I had to do to verify that I could recert, and tomorrow is time to go actually get the 2-year license. Nothing like waiting until the last minute though, because it expires at midnight on the 1st. And here we are, what's today? Today's like the 26th or 25th or something. So yeah, I'm waiting till the last minute. If I don't go get it, then I won't even be able to work my next shift. know I mentioned before that government offices outside of LA County are just so much more pleasant. So I actually live in Los Angeles County, but my certification, it's actually a state certification, but you do it through County Emergency Medical Services. So mine happens to be in Ventura, where I worked when I got it, so I went and got my certificate during my lunch break while I was working out there, and I just kept it there, and it turns out it's a lot nicer to have it in Ventura County than it is in LA County. So I don't know how much I'm going to be able to ride over the next couple months, because I usually, with my tax returns, I pay off a bunch of stuff for the entire year because I really can't afford the monthly payments. So I usually pay our car insurance, earthquake insurance, homeowners insurance. I usually just pay them off, be done with it, and not have to worry about making monthlies. Well, my tax return this year isn't enough to pay all that, so something is going to have to be paid monthly, which means good old Skunk is going to be picking up every overtime shift possible for a little bit. Now, the other thing is my home property taxes I also got to pay. So with the lot of hours of work also means that I'm not going to have much time to ride for a little bit. I'll probably get out and do some little round town putts when I'm awake to do it. But there probably won't be any big rides for a while, which sucks because now is when the weather's getting nice and perfect riding weather. Well, yeah, I'll deal with it. I'll do what I got to do. I think it's good. At least I like my job. That makes it a little bit easier to go and work all this overtime. Still tiring. I still get burnt out and don't want to be there anymore, but it's not like total torture to be there. Okay, so that had to be the quickest trip to Kaiser Pharmacy ever. Walked in, prescription was actually ready, walk right out. That never happens here. So now, off to Best Buy to go get some toys to play with. And look forward to a long night of YouTube tutorials and cuss words. And a 6-pack of beer. So with that, I'll go ahead and say goodbye of my quote short video. And we'll talk to you all hopefully tomorrow. I want to bring the camera with me. Hopefully I'll come up with some decent things to talk about. I've had creators block lately. So anyway, rubber side down, shiny side up, and I'll talk to you all next time. Peace out.